here at Niagara Falls. See, look at that. All the water flowing down into that pit over there. Okay, there you go. Now you can see it. We're going to be passing through some dense mist real soon. Having the self-driving cars nice, I can focus on recording and let it do the driving. I like around this barrier here. You can see that little thing that's like a space needle in Seattle. This one's in Ontario. Alright, you can see we're next to Niagara Falls. All the water mist coming in. Look at that. The windshield's getting all wet from all that mist. There you go, you can see a bit more. There you go. You can see the waterfall's better. Look at the waterfall. Oh no, trees in the way. Alright, so here's this fancy strip here with all these stores. Look at that pirate ship. They got some ice cream Wendy's thing here.
There's a rainforest cafe here?
Yep, rainforest cafe in this little hole.
I haven't been to
Gifts,
those.
Ruby Tuesdays, Dracula Travel Lodge. Look at that. Look at this. What's that? Haunted house. They got some like bowling looking thing.
It used to be Santa Cruz vibe.
Fudge. Before it got exploded by the
Oh, look at the Ferris wheel.
the big Ferris wheel there. Wax hands. Benihana burgers. Yep. Canada Trading Company. Wizards Golf. Ripley's Believe It or Not. It's fancy. What is this? Another haunted house?
You want to cross about the Burger King place on the right?
Look at these dinosaurs. Look at this here. Mini golf dinosaur land. At the waterfall.
Disneyland, but outside on the street.
Adventure golf.
They also have some mini go-karts. What are we seeing here? They got a Mamma Mia's here if you want Italian food. And Casablanca. Got some more shops over here. Some Popeyes and Outback. Some regular restaurants. Pizza Hut and Baskin Robbins. Right? Then, yep, normal restaurants over here. The chains. Courtyard. Hooters in the middle here, out in the middle of nowhere. Alright, I think that's about it. Kusina? What? And what is this? Niku or something. Japanese barbecue. Oh, I missed that one. There's also a little ice cream and bubble tea shop. Okay. Chucky's Roadhouse. Some cheap parking up here, so if you want to go. See you guys later. Going back now, everything is lit up. The Ferris wheel over there lit up. Nice. There it is, that Ferris wheel. They turned on the lights for the waterfall. You can see the light tower there. And then they shine it on the waterfall. I don't know if we'll be able to see it. I'll have to get out and walk. Whoa, look at all that mist. Oh, it's too much mist, you can't see. It's just white mist. It's so much, this time, so much more water, so you can't see the falls. Oh, they're changing the color of the waterfall. Now it's red. Look at that red mist. That red mist, that big red mist cloud. Oh, it's green now. And that green mist cloud. It's the miasma. Oh, that one's red over there now. Sonic was defeated. Oh no, we're missing the fireworks. They're behind the trees. There's the fireworks. It's all shrouded in mist. Shrouded in the mist. Whoa. mist is blocking the fireworks. You can barely see it. It's hidden behind the mist. Oh no, it's behind the wall of mist. The finale. You can't see it. Launch them higher. You can only hear it. Oh no, all you hear is explosions and no, you can't see anything. No, they got blocked. Oh no. Okay, we'll see you guys later. We have some of the wax figurines out here. Whoa. And a Taylor Swift one. We have other ones in there too. That looks so real. Hey look, they use Canadian beef at this Wendy's. This is the, can't read it, but Canada's largest family entertainment. Called it Canada. Look at that Ferris wheel, pinwheel. Here instead of restroom or bathroom, it's a washroom. Although I don't know who's washing stuff in there. What is going on? There's like a million balls in there. Whoa, what are those birds up there? Are those bats? Or seagulls or something? What the?